In this video, we will compare CapCut AI versus InShot AI. Both are powerful editing tools, however, they cater to different needs and different user experiences. CapCut AI is known for its robust AI-powered features that help users automate and enhance various aspects of video editing. It offers advanced features like automatic scene detection, background removal, audio adjustment and dynamic effects, making it ideal for creators who want more control over their videos. Whether you're looking to fine-tune your project with a multi-layer of edits or use AI to enhance your video quality, CapCut provides the flexibility and depth required for more intricate editing tasks. On the other hand, InShot AI focuses on simplicity and ease of use, targeting users who want a quick and high-quality edit with minimal effort. While it doesn't offer as many advanced features as CapCut AI, InShot AI tools still add value, such as automatic video stabilization, sync music to video, and applying filters based on facial recognition. InShot AI is particularly known for being user-friendly, making it a favourite amongst creators for social media platforms such as YouTube or Instagram, where fast turnarounds are key. It offers comprehensive features like resizing videos for many different platforms. Overall, CapCut AI is the better choice if you prefer a more simple and quick editing process, whereas AI InShot provides the right balance of ease and functionality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.